How to earn crypto rewards. Welcome back to Crypto Smooth. As the crypto economy grows and evolves, there are more ways than ever to earn rewards for holding crypto, learning about crypto, or interacting with decentralized finance or DeFi apps. Most of these opportunities are available right inside the main Coinbase app or website, while the last one requires the use of a wallet with a DeFi browser built in, like Coinbase Wallet. We'll walk you through the basics of some of the best ways to grow your crypto via rewards right now. But before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Number 1. Coinbase Earn. The easiest way to start generating crypto rewards on Coinbase is through Coinbase Earn. In exchange for learning the basics about cryptocurrencies, usually by watching short videos, you can get some to try for yourself. Since the launch of Coinbase Earn in 2018, users have received more than $100 million in crypto, including 0x, Basic Attention Token, Zcash, Stellar Lumens, EOS, DAI, Tezos, Orchid, Compound, Celo, Nucipher, and the Graph. Number 2. Stake some of your crypto. Many cryptocurrencies now use a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, which is a way their decentralized networks can ensure that all transactions are verified and secured without a bank or payment processor in the middle. With such cryptocurrencies, you can earn rewards simply for contributing to the security of the network by locking some of your holdings into a staking pool for a certain time frame. In exchange, you'll earn rewards. This is an excellent option if you are planning to hold on to the crypto for a longer period. Instead of having it sit idle, you can put it to work for you. Via the main Coinbase app or website, eligible users can stake Tezos, Cosmos, or Ethereum and earn as much as 5% interest, depending on the type of asset being staked, as of June 2021. Number 3. Turn your dollars into stablecoins. One potential downside of staking rewards is that they're paid in the native cryptocurrency, which can be volatile. But you can earn rewards simply by buying and holding dollar-pegged stablecoins like DAI and USD Coin or USDC. As of June 2021, you can earn 2% APY rewards for simply holding DAI in your Coinbase account. You can also earn 0.15% APY for holding USD Coin and earn even more via USDC lending. What is USDC lending? USDC lending is when you deposit your tokens on a lending platform USDC and earn crypto with no extra efforts on your side. CoinRabbit stores your USDC on several cold wallets not used in any service operations, so you can rest assured your deposit is safe. Can you lend USDC so that it covers inflation and is more profitable than any bank deposit? Yes. CoinRabbit offers you an 8% APR. The minimum amount to lend out USDC is 100 USD coins. However, we recommend lending starting from $1,000 to earn interest stablecoin in a sufficient amount. Number 4. Lend some of your crypto with CeFi. In the current era of vanishingly small interest rates, it's no longer possible to hold dollars in a traditional savings account and safely earn meaningful yields. But stablecoins have made a very similar proposition possible. A growing number of centralized finance or CeFi products have emerged that provide compelling yields for keeping some of your crypto holdings in stablecoin form. Coinbase customers looking for a low-risk investment can start earning 4% APY via USDC. While crypto deposits aren't currently eligible for FDIC or SIPC insurance, all USDC held in your Coinbase account is guaranteed by Coinbase. Number 5. Lend some of your crypto with DeFi apps. If you're comfortable with higher potential risks for higher returns, you can experiment with lending some of your crypto via DeFi apps. DeFi remains an emerging technology, so make sure to not invest more than you can afford to lose if you decide to experiment with these protocols. DeFi can enable transparent peer-to-peer lending for potentially higher yields than traditional financial offerings. Investors that supply their cryptocurrency to DeFi lending protocols receive rewards in the form of interest that is charged to borrowers. You need a crypto wallet that is compatible with DeFi apps. Coinbase Wallet, which is a separate product from the main Coinbase app and can be used by anyone, not just Coinbase customers. Via Coinbase Wallet, you can experiment with lending some of your crypto. The simplest way to start is with a stablecoin via DeFi protocols such as Compound or Aave. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more videos like this, make sure to like the video and hit the subscribe button, and we will see you in the next video.